Okay, it's Daquan. I'm kind of mad today. On my data on my PlayStation 3 deleted. I don't know how. Hopefully I found out. So I'm trying to beat all the games all over. I got almost 1 million games. It was gonna take like a long time to beat them. But I know I'm gonna beat it again. So right now I'm playing Dragon Ball Z Raging Blast. Right here I'm doing the story mode part when Goku is fighting Frieza. So whatever then. I'm Goku. It's kind of hard playing with the hand like this with the camera in my hand. I don't care, you can beat me. I'm just showing y'all that. Gameplay. She's in a building. Good bad. Oh, damn. What up there, Frieza? Yeah, you wanna talk crap when I had the camera in my hand? Oh, he played me. Caught him. Got him. Damn. Oh, he dodged it. He dodged it. Uh-oh, it's over. Oh, it's not over. It's not over. I win. Yo, bye-bye, Frieza. Yo, Frieza, your mom's in the house. You should be ashamed of yourself. I'll bust you. Don't play with me, Frieza. Not even a bag. No, Goku, leave him. I'm done. That's why Goku a lot of times get me mad, because he always gonna be a bag when to save somebody, so I skip that. So yeah, just wanted to show you. I'm trying to beat my games. Hopefully I will. Peace out.